destination.
Tutu man, Tutu have to get every bond Tutu have to get. Every movement.
After Toto that way.
And fell.
Fell where she live.
It's over see and fell my neighbor and fell. Yeah. Deacon Bowl.
Still be ratified by the Mexican Senate.
Who we got there? Who we got there? Alright, right there. Right there. Look at nobody there.
You see that the house? Yeah.
You see there? Tutu! See what that's up? Why? We got nice. We got nice. Alright. Things happen back here, man. Things happen in our territory. Alright. Mind everybody. Tutu! Well, I bring a bun for you, girl. I bring a bun. I'm not got no dog in and such, you. Sir, well, I bring a bun for that boy, right? This is a courtesy of Jubilee's Foundation. You get Easter bun.
Yeah,
right? You got good.
Yeah.
Correct. Just like that. Correct. People they give away Easter bun. So, right now, they give away Easter bun. And they are fresh. They're still hot. Right? The bun, they're still hot. So, link me on the live if you want a bun. They're not homemade. They're rich too. What about that? Creamy. Alright, good. Easter bun giveaway. So you call it. Why? It happened back here. Benguche too. Yeah, it's been long now. It's been long. Why? Morning everybody. Good morning. We're giving away Easter bun. Courtesy of Jubilee's Foundation, right? So you're on the link us, just put on the name by live on there. Drop off on the bun for now. Right? Happy Easter. Everybody safe now in Benguche field where the kids are having some fun. Yeah. Yeah, so link us, we're giving away bun. We're gonna bake bun this week. We are dropping the bun for now. Right? Look like something happening back here. We just run into it. The activities will happen back here on the park. Yeah. It's nice. We got a lot of pool. Right? It's hot. It's Easter heat. We have a lot of pool right now. Gonga no miss Diano. The children don't miss down. Yeah. This things happen. A lot of things happen. Good morning. Good morning. Morning. You're looking good. Juice the neck. Sushi the neck. You like it? We love the vibes. We love the vibes. Happy Easter. I see the prayer. You're the prayer, P. You're the prayer. I'm proud of you. Yeah, looks like everything is happening here. But with the area, we're sliding through. They're beating the heat. Why pool and everything that we got. We have our own pool. We don't need to go yard now. Yeah. So we want to get rid of that bone in a good way. So, alright. Station time. Who does you think we are drop off a bun to? What's going to right down here 2 bun?
You get it 2.
You get it 2.
Bukut na gay one.
Bukut the gay bun? Bukut over there, so?
Bukut right there, man.
Sarah broke that like Jesus in a half, man.
Miss Fellas, eh?
Yeah, Miss Fellas, right by the curb there. I go check for she bun.
Man.
Yeah, I still have to get for she bun. I get one too, you know. So I get it a
What
bun.
man?
Yeah, you're gonna get. You're gonna get. A circle and give I get she bun. And they are fresh, right? Homemade bun. So everybody that get a fresh bun. Bun a real deal. This is a real deal. It's like here at the corner, yo. And the corner, you have to get a bun. And another bake there bun and just son, no, another one. Another two make Johnny cake. This one make bun. Auntie, I get it, yeah? Good, I bring she bun for her. I go in the bathroom after. Good in here. Good. Hey, remember you're live now, right? You're live. Happy Easter, everybody.
Happy Easter.
I bring she bun for her.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Now for she Easter bun. Bye, Papa. Bye. I should have practiced long time. I bring a bun for you. I see like some kids in there today I get for their bun. One time. I get a bun. They are not bun, they are fresh, they are creamy. You got raisin and kind of thing in there. See that's another one, yeah?
Okay. Ma.
2 buns for you.
I made it look for you now.
You get 2 buns. You gonna clear. I have to, I move so. Yep. Alright. Done.
No, my house is here, man. See.
Homie. Hot cross bun they give away. One for Auntie Lomi, one for Roddy. Roddy there. Auntie Lomi, hey! I bring a bun for you, hot cross bun for you. One for you, one for Uncle Roddy. Right?
Yeah. Ready?
It's not clear. You got a bun. Hot cross bun for my neighbors. Just link with where I get on a bun. Until I don't get fishy bun. Alright. One. They've been with the store. Okay, so another one. But we just passed by John Marin. Alright, I'll stop by give a bun. At Easter time. You're gonna bring a bun to you. Alright, get on the bun. Alright, John Marin, when they come, I get a bun. So we got a lot of bun to give away. Lot. Yeah, with the corner. Free homemade Easter John Marin there? Where's John Marin? The man rest around here? He like around here? Who that, boy? The man me want a bun. When the man come here, he must be right. A bun. Will you give a bun? You eat bun too? Yeah, you eat bun. Alright, thanks, right? Yeah, bro.
Yes, right.
John Marin, not careful he one. Bun a man.
Yeah.
Bun a man. You not joke? You not joke? For those who never bake bun, don't worry. Jude Belize Foundation take care of it from bun. Yeah. Thanks again, by Miss Ella Kanarki came through and she said that not everybody bake bun. Good idea. I like it.
Just like it, yeah, true.
You just like it, yeah.
You know where they're going,
You know where they're going. She's saying connection. She's saying touch with everything where they're going. Yeah. So we have to commend her for that. She put she money where she moved it, right? So she ready for help out, and this is what she do, right? So all right. I'm gonna drop up on there. Yeah, we too. My way for you too. Look, we don't have to hold up on no bun no. We they give it. Alright. Alright now we they give it. We they give it that bun right now. Margaret. One for you, one for Anfield. See your bun now? You got your Easter bun. How about two Anfield? Alright, good. So we do it. You got. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna share this live, huh? That's Ali. Wally sponsorship there by Jude Belize Foundation. She want me to give away. Alright, we're gone. More bun. Easter bun to give away. And that thing are nice. Yeah, that thing are nice. Your station? Turn on.
Oh, your station?
Turn on.
Right now they look 1:30.
Okay, good. That's the time. Alright. Okay, we're rolling through. I'm gonna stop on that Jose and Jose, man. Jose always to give. I give share bun.
Alright. Right away?
Right away.
Alright, well.
People that cook for people, we have to give them back too. We have to give them, we have to give people who give.
You know they cook that reasonable price.
Reasonable price. So always clear, boy. I have to give it. I forget the cooks back here. They're gonna give Mr. Herman one first. When they come back, right? So we ain't back at Penco right now, right? It's for people who don't bake. People who don't bake, they get a bun today.
Some people bake, man, but they want different taste.
Different taste too, yeah. Different taste. Let's blow the thing there. Everybody, see that security back here, so she was boss right now. Mr. Irma! We're there for you. We can give you I know you don't bake Easter bun, so you can give you one. I know you don't bake, so you can give you one. This is for Jude Belize Foundation and DYFA Garifuna Radio Station. We just to give away, we don't want to show our face or nothing. Thank you very much. Right? That's why you turn so. I'm going so. Alright, see there? Mr. Herman, thank you.
Wednesday, Thursday, I'll bring a 10 pound. Wednesday, Thursday, I'll bring a 10 pound.
No man. We don't worry about them. They worry about what you have, Miss Herman. Don't worry about nobody. Correct, I know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Good, see?
You say you never bake?
You never bake?
And we assume
That the man and the lady bake, but she not bake, but she deserve for rest today. So, well, we got a few more left. drop one right there, so. And ladies and gentlemen, I don't stay by this live any more longer. Alright? So we're just giving out, we're not put up the live for give. We just want to give thanks and praises to those who on the live, who sharing the live, who showing love in this time. I will show it, right? I will show it. So I'm gonna give my Jules, you know, she need to get her bun. Right? Right? I forgive Miss Josie, her bun. Jules! Voila! I bring a bun to you. I bring a bun to you because I always share out the cook. I always share out not today. She not get share out today. Voila, Jules. I bring a bun. Easter bun to you. Alright. Just like that. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. Just like that. With them monks.
Hey, you had biscuit back there?
I don't know where the back of the man eat up.
Oh, that he one stack. He had a whole box of biscuit.
Yeah, the man.
I don't remember. The guy one stack.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, people they get their bun. So I think we're up on live for a little long now. I got about 2 more minutes on this live. Alright, before this vehicle run out of gas. We look bad, we don't look bad.
Anybody find this stretcher?
But I don't know what we think about our stress, you know.
And just as we go along, don't like we think what Joe say, Mr. Rema. Alright, good.
Yeah, that's who we think about to get. Alright, no, anybody could get. Anybody I get. Why shock big boy?
What's it, Jack?
And then family right there, so I bring you a bun.
Oh, alright.
Yeah. I stop right there. I know you must watch the live. Hey, watch the live. Yeah. I bring on the bun. I bring a bun for you. 2 buns. Let's go get the bun. The cousin. This night. When they give a bun for those who never bake. So if you tune into this live you're late, sorry about that. Bring a bun for the fans. Bun. Easter bun. Alright, good. That's what we call Easter bun. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I gotta go. We got a few more we gotta deliver off camera. Alright, so thank you very much for tuning in. We're just giving away bun. This Easter bun. Right? Hot cross bun. Alright. Courtesy of Jubilee Foundation, Mr. Ella Kanaki. Thank you very much again for sharing with the people, right? Easter bun. Ayo. Look at me, I got Clara one. I get Clara one. Yeah. Alright? That is Clara, I guess for she born, right? Alright, thank you everybody. I gotta go. Alright? Ayo!
Clean that one too.
Yeah, she don't granny can't eat too much sweets, you know. But yeah, alright, ladies and gentlemen, I gotta go. I'll drop one for Miss Clara right now. Right? Thank you very much. I have a wonderful. I will drop one for your granny, 2 gas. Don't worry about it. Thank you everybody for tuning to the live Jubilee Foundation. Ayo!